In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Atlas AI, an amazing Shopify AI store builder, to level up your online retail experience. Whether you're just starting out and want to create a professional store quickly, or you already have a Shopify shop and want to add a new twist to make it smarter and more efficient, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Shopify dashboard and take a look at the panel on the left side of your screen. This is where all your navigation happens, and over here, you'll want to click on the Apps section. This is your go-to place for managing all the integrations Shopify offers. Once you're in the Apps section, the next step is to find Atlas AI. Go ahead and type Atlas AI into the search bar. This will help you filter through all the apps and zero in on the one we're focusing on today. Once you've located Atlas AI in the search results, click on it. You'll be taken to the app's information page where you can get a quick overview of all its features. It's important to make sure this is the right app for your store before moving forward. When you're ready, click on the Install button. The installation usually only takes a few moments, so you won't be waiting long. After it's installed, you'll see Atlas AI in your list of apps, and the app will open automatically, giving you a straightaway opportunity to start the setup process. Now comes the fun part. Click on the option to Generate Store. This feature will help you build your Shopify site using AI technology to create a modern and efficient shopping experience for your customers. After selecting it, click Next and follow the on-screen setup prompts. These prompts guide you through customizing your new store according to your preferences and specific requirements, making sure everything fits your vision perfectly. And just like that, Atlas AI handles the rest. Your Shopify store is now being built with the power of AI, which means you've just saved yourself tons of time and effort. In just a few simple steps, you've used cutting-edge technology to give your e-commerce business a head start, freeing you up to focus on other important areas of your online shop. It really is that straightforward. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can set up your Shopify store with Atlas AI easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you get your store up and running smoothly. If this video helped you, why not share it with someone else who's looking to simplify their Shopify journey and make their store smarter? You'll make their day a lot easier.